set of makeup on my TikTok. So, bumili ako para ako na yung mag-makeup dun sa mga anak ko gawa ng may graduation sila. And pictorial na rin sa isang araw. So, this one is, I'll try to apply it in my face. But guys, I didn't know how to okay, I didn't know how to put some makeup. Kasi hindi ako nagme-makeup eh. So this one is for God, I can see this one. It's good and I like the color. Yeah, see this one. And this one is for the blush on. May kasama na rin siya. And I like this lipstick really. I like this one. And so good mascara like this one. So I'll try it to apply it to my face. Wait. Cream. I'll try it on my. So this one is for my cream. Just a little bit. And ano na rin. For it's sunblock really. It's a sunblock. But I just put it some cream before I apply my makeup. Before I go to see this. I'll try. I don't know if you like it or not, but I will try this one. Yeah. Let's finish. Mamaya yung sa my neck and how could I just like I use my fingers, so yeah, this one is where my just put some little and then this, what is that? I like this one. It's like nude. Nude. Yeah. A little bit just like here. Oh god, it's too much. See. And this one is for some shiny shimmering. Just this one is for my eyes. I don't know how to apply makeup because I didn't do makeup like that. Even in the occasion, I always use like Killay's Life and lipstick. Yeah, lipstick is my what do you call that one? Lipstick is my, in Tagalog is kahinaan. I like some putok dark lipstick. Yeah, just like that. See, it's pantay ba? I don't know it's pantay or not. Something like that. I don't have a brush. It's because I ordered some brush but not coming yet. And for my nose, I like to put some halos like this one to like shimmery. Oh, what happened? It's for the line, they say it's for line like that. It's shiny. What is done? Yeah. And some put-offs. And this one, this See, it's for my face. Just a little bit, then ikalat. Just like one. I don't like some makapal na makeup or too much put of makeup. I just like this one. Ang init. And put like a little more. And this one is from back side. See, that one is enough, and then this one is for and they say like put some not like highlighter, but it's for some glittering like that one in the corner, or to look more shiny. And this is for, did you see that one coming for the shiny area? Meron ba? Parang wala.
Walang nakuha mo.
Yeah, it's okay na yan. Because I don't want to put some makapal na makeup like that. Just a little bit for my cheekbones. And like this to put some cheekbone. Sakit ng mata ko. Yeah. And this one. And now I put some one of. See, it's cute. This one for my eyes. It's easy to apply because it's a thick. Like, see. Not like other mascara. Ay! Like other mascara. Like not other mascara. See, so hard to put some makeup. It's because I didn't use makeup. Yeah.
Come on.
I use this one for, and last but not the least is for my lips. First try. It's my first try to put makeup really. Yeah, see, just put it like that. It's good. Just add like little because I like dark color. Yeah, maybe it's okay now. Just put this one. And yeah, just comb my hair and be prepared. It's just like so it make easy. See, I didn't put some like first ever makeup Wow. This one. So it's good. My hair is not good. See? Just put some. So, this is that I don't like wearing makeup because it's so hot on my face, and it's my first time. So, it is done, and so cute. So cute this one. It's a set na I buy here in my TikTok. So if you want this one set is in my yellow basket. You can check it out in my yellow basket. See? It's a Kiss Beauty chocolate matte blush Kiss Beauty. It's good and simple, just like you can use your finger to apply the makeup. See? Yeah. See this? It's finished. I like the lipstick. Color of the lipstick. It's like chocolate. This one, I love it so much. See, it's not pricey, but it's good and elegant to apply. So it's a light makeup. I don't want too much makeup, just only lipstick. And I use this one for my eyebrow because for me kilay is like, but I put this one na earlier. I put it before because I'm going to school earlier, so I put that one before I go out. Just a little add. Yeah. And before I use this one, it's also in my yellow basket. This one, O2O, and it's very very nice, and I love it. Just like this one mascara of Kiss Beauty. I really love this one. Too much. Yeah. Thank you so much. I hope you like it. But it's simple and only my lips are dark.